What's the most important thing you need to know when taking a jazz solo? It's not having every scale or arpeggio memorized or knowing a ton of music theory. The most important thing is knowing the melody of the tune you're playing. After all, good improvising is melodic. In this video, I plan to teach you the melody and how to make some solo variations on it. Some simple but effective ways that you can start making your own solo ideas. I hope you have your ukulele in tune. Join me, please, for this fun lesson. Use a high G or a low G CE tuned ukulele. Baritone players, drop a capo at your 5th fret. Let's get jamming. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, then you are really going to dig my upcoming jazz workshop Sunday, May 16th, but you can watch anytime as a replay. And don't let the 4-letter word jazz scare you. What we're going to be doing is exploring a simple 3-chord song by Gypsy jazz master Django Reinhardt. You're going to learn all kinds of new rhythms, rhythm tricks, and drum fills. We'll learn how to improvise in the style of Django Reinhardt. My workshop includes a concert, bonus footage, jam tracks, a whole lot of cool perks. Check the links down below if you want to join me. There are still tickets available. Hope you can join me live or as a replay. Let's learn the melody to Summertime. We're going to do this phrase by phrase, nice and slow, then we'll play the entire thing at tempo. If you didn't see part 1 yet, click this card up here, or there's a link in the description below where you'll learn the chords, you can sing and strum the tune, and learn the structure of the song. Notice how the first phrase is right inside of the E minor and B7 chord. We'll make some variations in a moment. Join in with me nice and slow. 1, 2. Summertime. Next phrase. And the living is easy. Don't sweat the tuning. If you're on a high G ukulele, that note will be up an octave, but that can be a very cool thing. Next phrase begins in the same place, and once again, the melody will use the notes that found right in the chord. 1, 2. Fish are jumping. See how that A minor? Open string, nice and easy. Next phrase. And the cotton is high. Once again, wouldn't you know the melody lines up with the chords? The next phrase is just like the first one we played. 1, 2. Your daddy's rich. Next. And your mama's good looking. So we've played 3 phrases so far. This third phrase ends with a D7 chord. A little different there. And we begin the melody on a D, 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Ready? 1, 2. So hush, little darling, don't you cry. And then the chords come in. Let's play this again, and this time we're going to play the melody and follow it with a little strums of the chords in between. This is the beginning of a bit of a chord melody arrangement. All right, so you'll pick the melody, back yourself up with some chords. You may like to watch this video a few times and steal what I'm doing. Please, I hope it's useful for you. Are you ready? Let's do this nice and slow. This time without the vocal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So there you have it, a basic outline of the melody, how to start adding some chords to it. Now I have so much more I'm going to share with you. If you're digging this video so far, will you do me a huge favor and hit the like button? Hope you'll subscribe to the channel, Ukulele Zen. There is so much content I've made over the years waiting for you at my channel's homepage. Click the subscribe button. You'll be kept in the loop of every time I make a new video. Thanks so much. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what tunes you want me to teach you in the jazz realm. Let's move on and learn some licks. Right now I'm going to play through a sample solo. This will be pretty easy to follow along with, and there will be tablature right here on the screen for you. Get your ukulele, let's jam. And a 1, a 2, a 1, 2.